Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best ironing board that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Homecare Tabletop Ironing Board. Looking for a small ironing board with all the features of a larger one? The Homecare Tabletop Ironing Board is ideal if you live in an apartment or have a smaller laundry area. It can sit perfectly on top of a dining table or coffee table so that you can iron with the television on or sit down. It's especially suited for college students, who might possibly try their hand at ironing every once in a while. It folds away and stores easily, so doesn't ruin your street cred, but works as well as you need it to. With an affordable price point too, the Homecare board is a great investment. It also comes with a retractable iron rest, so that you won't burn your dorm carpets or desk. Although not the most durable of ironing boards, it does exactly what it needs to do, without breaking the bank or taking up too much space. Find more useful products that quickly remove wrinkles from your clothes by checking out our guide to the best steam presses. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Minky Homecare Ergo Plus Ironing Board. Specifically designed to provide comfort and enhance performance, the Minky Ergo Plus Ironing Board simplifies the task of ironing and also ensures excellent results. It is suitable for right-handed or left-handed use, and is uniquely designed to follow the body's natural orientation and arm movements, which ultimately helps to reduce arm and shoulder strain. It comes with a Pro-Zone cover with heat-reflective areas that ensures that creases are effectively smoothed out. A felt underlay is added to the surface, which creates a smooth surface to iron on. Another unique addition to the Minky Ergo Plus ironing board is a low-level steam generator rack which securely holds even when hot. Additionally, the board has non-slip feet that are steady on wooden or laminated surfaces. This board also comes with a flex cord guide that prevents tangling. You can fasten it into your preferred position on the ironing board. The height of this ironing board can be adjusted to suitably and comes with a rest where you can store your ironed clothes. The framework of Ergo Plus is constructed from high-grade metal and it is balanced on loop legs. With a sleek and contemporary design, this ironing board ranks high for style, convenience, and functionality. It comes with a 5-year manufacturer's warranty and is available in 3 different color options. For more must-have products for your household, check out our guide to the best laundry baskets. At number 3, we have the Brabantia Steam Rest Ironing Board. Brabantia features again on our list, and with clear reasons to as well. This sturdy and robust steam rest ironing board comes with lots of additional features, making it a clear winner in any professional's eyes. It also comes with incredibly wide ironing board dimensions, allowing you to iron a much larger area of clothing at one time. The thick cover is robust and strong, giving you peace of mind that you won't scorch or scratch the cover. Although perhaps too large for most, this board is ideal if you have a lot of ironing to get through each week. At number 2, we have the Mabel Home Extra Wide Ironing Pro Board. This is our premium pick out of all the ironing boards on this list. Although it does have an incredibly high price point, it's clear to see why, with all the additional features. Unique to this board are the shoulder wings, which are also retractable. This means that you can iron a full shirt without having to move it about too much. The Mabel Home Board also has adjustable height, robust legs, and an extra wide surface area, giving you endless possibilities when it comes to getting all your ironing done and dusted. For more amazing housework products, check out our guide to the best sewing machines. And finally, at number 1, we have the Superior Essentials Wall-Mounted Ironing Board. The Superior Essentials Wall-Mounted Ironing Board is a good option for users who have space constraints. It is extremely easy to set up, as all you have to do is fold the board down when you want to use it and then fold it up after use. It comes with a wooden mounting plate that makes the installation process easy. The ironing boards measure 37 inches by 12 inches, which gives you ample space to iron your clothes. Its fashionable design ensures it does not look out of place in any home. Though this ironing board is mounted on a wall, it can be moved and locked in multiple angles. The framework of this ironing board is mainly constructed from steel, which makes the product sturdy and durable. A major advantage of this ironing board is that it doesn't have any legs, which mean there will be no blemish on your floors. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.